Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your Instagram story look monochrome on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you already signed in or logged in with the account that you used. And after that, you just need to make sure that you are stay in the home section so that you can just slide your screen into the right side to access your Instagram story. Or you can also just click this plus with the blue color here, go click it, and then you will get an access into your photo library. Now you just need to choose which picture that you want to add for your story. You can also adjust in the size too. And to make this picture like look a monochrome on Instagram story, you just need to like slide the screen into the right side until you found this Tokyo. And you can see that the picture is already changed from the colorful into the monochrome one. So that is the way how to make or how to create your Instagram story to look monochrome on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.